Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove text in Photoshop. First, open your image and identify the text you wish to remove. The most straightforward approach involves using Photoshop's intelligent content-aware fill. This feature analyzes the surrounding pixels to seamlessly replace the selected area, making the text disappear as if it was never there. It's a powerful tool for quick and clean edits. To begin, use a selection tool like the lasso or rectangular marquee to carefully outline the text you want to remove. Ensure your selection is tight around the text, but includes a small margin of the surrounding background. Next, go to the Edit menu and choose Content-Aware Fill. Photoshop will then generate a preview, allowing you to fine-tune the sampling area before committing to the removal. After applying Content-Aware Fill, you might find small imperfections. For these, the Spot Healing Brush tool is excellent for quick, localized fixes. If you need more control, the Clone Stamp tool allows you to manually sample and paint over areas, ensuring a perfect blend. Remember to always work on a duplicate layer or a new empty layer for non-destructive edits, preserving your original image. For more challenging text removal on intricate backgrounds, consider the Patch tool, which lets you select an area and drag it to a source area to blend. Another powerful technique involves using layer masks to simply hide the text, offering flexibility if you ever need to reveal it again. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is key, and this bottle makes it easy to do so on the go.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.